Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use LocalSend step by step. LocalSend is a free and open source app that lets you securely transfer files between nearby devices without using cloud storage or creating an account. So let's get started. First, make sure LocalSend is installed on all the devices you want to use. Connect each device to the same local Wi-Fi or local network, then open the LocalSend app. Once it's running, each device should automatically appear in the list of nearby devices. Next, on the device you're sending from, click or tap the Send option. Choose whether you want to send files, folders, text, or other supported content, then select the items you want to share. After that, choose the receiving device from the list of available devices. If the device doesn't appear, make sure both devices are connected to the same network, and that LocalSend has permission to access your local network through the firewall or system settings. On the receiving device, you'll see a request to accept the incoming transfer. Review the file details, then click or tap Accept to begin receiving the files. The transfer will start immediately and continue over your local network, so no internet connection or cloud service is required. Once the transfer is complete, open the destination folder to confirm that all your files were received successfully. You can now repeat the same process anytime you want to share files between your devices quickly and securely, and that's it. You now know how to use LocalSend to transfer files between devices with ease. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Hey everyone, welcome back.